Từ vựng PRE-IELTS chủ đề pháp luật phần 1.
Disqualified. To stop somebody from doing something because they have done something wrong. He had been drinking and driving and he was disqualified from driving for 6 months. Enact. To make into law, to put a law into practice. The law was finally enacted today. Comes into play. Come into effect, come into action. The law on sentencing came into play. Heavily fine. To charge someone a lot of money since he or she has violated a law or regulation. He was heavily fined for speeding. Consequently. As a result, therefore, used to say something that happens because of something else. He didn't like the cake, consequently, he threw it all away.
Hẹn gặp các bạn vào những chủ đề sau nhé.